Oh my, that's absolutely intense. Today I will take you into a completely different world, where giant machines roar, rampage, and show power beyond imagination. Too intense. The explosion of a water tower in Mogilev, Belarus shook the entire area. In a breathtaking moment, the giant structure collapsed with a thunderous bang, dust billowing up, creating a breathtaking yet horrifying scene. Under the roar of the engine, the giant crane was slowly loaded into the tank by the smooth coordination of heavy machinery. Each decisive and precise movement demonstrated the superior horsepower and control techniques of the operating team. A spectacular demolition took place when the Demirec DCC-65 concrete crusher came into action. With its powerful hydraulic motor, the machine tore apart steel and concrete structures like shredded paper. The grinding noise echoed, creating a dramatic and extremely satisfying demolition scene. Oh no, the crane was too small to lower the food grinder to the ground, but lost its balance. The giant machine crashed to the ground, dust flying. The engine roared and then fell silent in the suffocating chaos. Whoa! Don't forget to leave a like if you're also interested in these powerful machines. Wow, that was impressive. The JCB dragster backhoe billowed smoke at the track, roaring like a storm. With its impressive power and speed, it asserted its superiority, making everyone unable to take their eyes off this spectacular performance. An impressive display of heavy transport skills. The Haliade 150 offshore wind turbine is being installed at France's first offshore wind farm site. With 80 turbines, each with a capacity of 6 megawatts, the project marks the dawn of a new era for clean energy and advanced technology. Come join me and witness the spectacular mechanical power of the Michigan 280 GM Bulldozer. With an engine capacity of more than 300 horsepower, the machine roars fiercely, pushing each giant block of earth and rock with ease, creating a powerful and eye-catching construction scene. The Bulldozer with powerful track design easily glides through thick snow and ice, crushed soil. The sturdy track grips the snow surface, helping the Bulldozer move stably and effectively. Tractor stuck in the middle of the jungle, wheels stuck deep in the mud. Engine roaring trying to escape, creating a dramatic and interesting rescue scene. Other machines quickly cooperated, gradually pulling the tractor out of the natural mix. With outstanding operational capability, the leaper crane, capable of lifting 39,691 pounds and equipped with a powerful engine delivering up to 400 horsepower, ensures precise and efficient lifting. This machine provides safety and stability when handling heavy lifting tasks at construction sites. Can you imagine the power of the trailer on a 198,416-pound crawler crane with a powerful engine and high horsepower as it moves to the construction site? However, the truck bed, weighing 198,416 pounds, couldn't withstand the pressure, resulting in a structural failure during operation. With its powerful 150 horsepower engine, the 44,092-pound Komatsu PC-200 amphibious excavator easily operates on flooded terrains. Its ability to work efficiently in harsh environments makes this excavator an essential tool in construction and extraction operations. The rescue of the Cakes truck from the Centinela mine turned dramatic as the 700 horsepower vehicle demonstrated its resilience in overcoming all challenges. With its powerful capabilities and perfect coordination, it persevered through the difficult terrain, bringing about an impressive rescue. With over 100 horsepower, the engine roars as it pushes massive logs crashing into the water. There, they're packed tightly like a floating ball, ready to be hauled away by a tugboat on a dramatic journey through the waterways. A Caterpillar 5230 is tirelessly removing the final layers of blasted rock atop a deep coal seam. Each powerful scoop breaks through stubborn geological layers. These machines withstand immense pressure, operating relentlessly amidst dust and harsh terrain. The sheer resilience and strength of these machines are truly impressive. In a harsh mining environment, the powerful tow-haul Komatsu 830 pulls the Komatsu 930 dump truck in the mine, overcoming rough terrain with superior power. The perfect coordination between the two machines makes the transportation process fast and efficient, meeting the strict requirements of the mining environment. The top choice of many major contractors, Tesmac 1475 trenchers impress with their 630 horsepower, easily handling all types of soil and rock. creating 6.5-meter deep trenches with high precision. The stable track system helps the machine operate effectively on all terrains, pipelines, and industrial works. Leave a like if you are impressed with this giant monster. With impressive power from a modern engine, the Caterpillar's 730 roars like thunder, transmitting powerful power to the six-wheel drive system. The sturdy frame and advanced hydraulic system help the vehicle easily conquer all harsh terrain in the quarry.
Patrick has to be careful when digging.
Amid the cement-like clay, two giant excavators were sunk, their crawlers spinning helplessly. The recovery began when a machine weighing more than 77,000 pounds was brought in, roaring and pulling, each jerk a battle with the clinging earth. Back to the Caterpillar D8T Bulldozer, the powerful engine roars nonstop. The machine works hard on the riverbank. The tracks grip firmly, digging up rocks and soil, demonstrating outstanding durability and maximum efficiency in all harsh conditions. With the roar of metal, the giant Boeing 747 that once took flight was now being torn apart piece by piece. With only the roaring link belt machine and the monster-like steel arm, every part weighing tons was torn apart one by one, turning into a giant pile of scrap. Alexander Koshelev's MAZ 543 off-road monster roars powerfully. Its durable engine overcomes all challenges. With its solid design and absolute reliability, it easily conquers all difficult terrains, ready to face all harsh conditions. Pulled by two Volvo FH520 CVs with powerful engines, this vehicle demonstrates its superior strength in transporting huge cargo. The transport vehicle, with a payload of 1,102,311 pounds and a total weight of 2,425,084 pounds, is equipped with 2 axles and a third row of 12 axles. If you don't want to miss the upcoming dramatic journeys, leave your number 1 in the comments section. Next to it, 2 D11 bulldozers roared fiercely, their powerful engines unleashing full force. The crawlers crushed the ground, fiercely tug-of-war in a tense and eye-catching battle of strength. Next, the Liebherr LG 1750 slowly moved on the deep snow road, powerfully overcoming all difficulties. The bulky machine, with superior power, glided on the thick snow, each wheel firmly moving forward.
Mira, acá está esto.
It was an impressive sight as the heavy machinery rolled across the asphalt. The delivery truck, the 137,000-pound self-propelled crawler excavator, and the 49-foot crane steadily rolled by. Leave comment 1 if you are excited about these machines.